Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to watch FIFA World Cup 2026 on Safari browser. So to start, find the official broadcaster for your country. So the World Cup is streamed through different services depending on where you live. Examples like if you're in United States, so you can stream on Fox 1, you have foxsports.com, then you have Telemundo or Peacock for Spanish coverage. If you're in Australia, you can stream on SBS and SBS on demand, so this will be no cost. And if you're on India, you can use Z5. So you can use Z5 streaming and Unite 8 Sports TV coverage. So open Safari, so launch Safari, then visit the broadcaster's website or web app. So click the search bar and search for the broadcaster's website. For example, Fox. So let's search for Fox 1. Then sign in with your subscription or TV provider credentials if required. Then navigate to the World Cup section and select the live match. So to improve viewing experience in Safari, you can enable full screen for matches, just like so. You can use picture in picture on Mac or iPad to watch while multitasking, and ensure Safari is updated to the latest version for the best streaming performance. And use a stable Wi Fi connection, especially for HD or 4K streams where available. So, Fox One, for example, offers 4K coverage for many matches. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.